This will be the quickest $300 budget PC build guide video on YouTube. In this video, under 1 minute, I will show you the best PC components that you should buy. Links to all the components will be in the description below. Now for the processor, we have chosen the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. It has 6 cores and 12 threads, 4.4 GHz boost clock speed, and it also have a powerful Radeon Vega 7 integrated graphics, so you don't need an external graphics card. And for the motherboard, we have the ASRock B550M. This one costs around $98. Now for only $98, you are going to get everything that you need. You will get 4 RAM slot, PCIe Gen 3 NVMe SSD support, heatsink over the NVMe SSD, decently large heatsink over the VRM section, so you won't see any thermal throttling. And as this is a B550 series motherboard, you can overclock this processor. Then for the RAM, we have chosen the Silicon Power Value Gaming DDR4 16GB RAM. This one cost $35. These are the cheapest DDR4 RAM that you can buy. Then for the storage, I have chosen the Western Digital 500GB SSD. This one cost $35. This SSD comes with up to 3500 Mbps read-write speed, which is excellent for an SSD. And finally, for the power supply, I have chosen the Thermaltake Smart 430W power supply. This one cost only $34. And this power supply is enough powerful to run this 5600G build, and also it comes with 5-year plus warranty, and caching is completely up to you, by whichever you like. Thanks for watching.